Okay, so in the exercise, this is the question we had. Okay, so let's just revise our exercise. So this is the exercise that we had in our previous lesson on identities, and we only had one questions which carried 4 marks. So this is identity. This is an identity question. Okay, and we have been taught to prove to prove to prove that sine theta squared plus 1 over sec theta squared plus 1 over cosec theta squared is equal to 2 minus cos theta squared. So let's prove that this is equal to 2 minus cosec theta squared. Okay, so we can prove by starting with this. We expand it so that it's looks just as this one. They must be the same. Okay, so let's start our procedure. So we're going to rewrite our sine theta squared. Okay, so sine theta squared plus, here you look for a common denominator. You look for common denominator. Rather than that, you can also do this. You know that sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, isn't it? Yeah, we know this because we learned in our previous lesson that sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, and we also went on cosec theta. So we said that cosec theta is the same as 1 over sine theta, isn't it? Yeah, we learned in the previous lesson. So no need of us to start struggling or wondering where these things will be coming from. So keep it in mind that sec theta is equals to 1 over cos theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. Okay, so where there is sec theta, we can replace with 1 over cos theta. We know this. So we're going to have 1, okay, divide, okay, here there is 1, so this one is dividing sec theta squared. Divide 1 over cos theta squared. Sec theta squared is the same as 1 over cos. Okay, so 1 sec theta squared is the same as 1 over cos theta squared plus 1 over, or we can just write as 1 divide, okay, 1 divided by, okay, cosec theta is the same, cosec theta squared is the same as 1 over sine theta squared. So this should be equal to 2 minus cos theta squared. Okay, so having reached this side, we know that when we are multiplying a fraction, or when dividing a fraction, the division sign changes to positive or to multiplication, and when the division sign changes to multiplication, the numerator and the denominator swap. So we have a situation like this: 1 divide 1 over cos theta squared. Okay, isn't it? So this can be also written as 1 multiplied by cos theta squared. We know this, that when a division sign changes to multiplication, the numerator, this is the numerator, will be, or the numerator is this one, will be the denominator, and the denominator will be the numerator, which is cos theta squared. So this is the same as this when we just do the calculations. So here we're going to have cos theta squared divided by 1, which will give us cos theta squared. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, so we know these things. Okay, so no need of being confused. We know this. Okay, so let's just create space. So let's now begin. So we have now sine theta squared plus this. When we do the calculation, we're going to have cos theta squared, I've explained, plus even here when you do the calculation, we're going to have sine theta squared, because this division line gonna change into multiplication size, hence this will come on top, and the numerator will go down. So it's equivalent to 2 minus cos theta squared. Okay, so having reached that side, you can now add. So we know that according to our equation, we know that sine theta squared plus cos theta squared will give you 1. Okay, in our previous lesson we talked about these equations. Okay, so this is just a reminder so that we remember where we have come from. So sine theta squared plus cos theta squared, this one we're going to have 1 here. Okay, it's proven, plus sine theta squared, which is equal to 2 minus cos theta squared. So let me just remind you using the same equation, which is sine theta squared plus cos theta squared is equals to 1. Okay, so here if you want, you can make cos the subject of the formula. You can make cos theta squared the subject formula by taking sine theta squared to this side. So we're going to have cos theta squared is equals to 1 minus sine theta squared. So you know that cos theta squared is equals to 1 minus sine theta squared. Okay, so here where we have sine theta squared, we can make sine theta squared if we want. So we know that cos theta squared is equals to 1 minus sine theta squared. Okay, so let's try to make sine theta squared the subject of the formula. Okay, using the same equation. So sine theta squared can make the subject formula by doing this. We just take cos theta squared to this side, hence we're going to have 1 minus cos theta squared. So in our equation we have sine theta squared, which is with this one. So where there is sine theta squared, we're going to replace with this, which is 1 minus cos theta squared, because according to our equation we know that sine theta squared is equivalent to 1 minus cos theta squared, isn't it? We have proven here, so no need of us getting confused. Okay, so let's do now. So we're going to have 1, okay, plus, there's 1 here, plus 1 minus cos theta squared. We have proven that sine theta squared is equals to 1 minus cos squared is equals to 2 minus cos theta squared. So here you just add 1 plus 1, it will give you 2 minus cos theta squared is equivalent to 2 minus cos theta squared. Yeah, like this. So this is how you were supposed to prove. Okay, and a lot of students got this one correct, so hence shown. Okay, this is how you can get the 4 marks on proving this identity. Okay, let us quickly do another identity. Okay, so that we clearly understand on how to solve identities. Okay, so we have this identity, which is 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, here minus 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta is equivalent to 4 cotangent, which is cot, it's abbreviated as cot, then cosec theta here. So let's prove this identity. Let's prove this simple identity. Okay, so if you see here, this side, it's simpler to be made like this than this made like this. So we can start by working out with this part. So let's start. So here, okay, so the question says prove that this is equal to this. Prove. So let's prove. Okay, and this carries 4 marks. So let's prove. So we can prove this by first look for common denominators. So by common denominators, I mean where a number where this and this can go into without leaving any remainder. So here we are going to have 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta as our, oh, this is cos theta, sorry. So as our common denominators. Then let's begin our division. So we know that 1 minus cos theta squared into this, we're going to remain with the 1 plus cos theta squared, because 1 minus cos theta squared into this, it's 1 multiplied by this, we're going to remain with the 1 plus cos theta squared. So since we have remained with this, then this will multiply with the numerator, which is 1 plus cos theta squared. So as you can see, this and this are just the same. So this multiplied by this is the same as 1 plus cos theta squared, okay, like this, okay, minus, let's begin this into this, it's 1, so we're going to remain with 1 minus cos theta squared. Then 1 minus cos theta squared multiplied by 1 minus cos theta squared, we are going to remain with 1 minus cos theta squared, okay, like this. Then you expand. So let's expand. So we know that here we have 1 plus cos theta squared. Let me just write it properly so that you can see 1 plus cos theta squared. So here you can expand by this. This is the simple method of expanding, the simple way of expanding. You just do 1 squared, it will give you 1. Then you do 1 multiplied by cos theta to give you cos theta. Then cos theta multiplied by 2, which will give you 2 cos theta, plus cos theta squared, it will give you cos theta squared, okay, minus this side, you come this side, 1, okay, so 1, okay, 1 minus cos theta squared, you begin with this 1 squared, it will give you 1, isn't it? So we're going to have 1, okay, then 1 multiplied by negative cos theta, we're going to have negative cos theta. Then negative cos theta multiplied by 2 here, so we're going to have negative 2 cos theta plus negative cos theta squared to give you cos theta squared, okay, divided by, we have our common denominator, which is 1 minus cos theta, okay, this is our common denominator, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, okay. So this is our denominator. Don't forget you do denominators, okay. Okay, then here you continue. So we're going to have 1 plus this, we just rewrite cos theta plus cos theta squared. Then we start expanding. So here we have 1 outside, so this negative 1 will multiply with everything in the bracket. So I'm going to have negative 1 multiplied by 1, it will give you negative 1. Negative times positive, it will give you positive. Always negative multiplied by positive, or negative multiplied by negative, it will give you positive. So here we're going to have positive 2 cos theta, okay. Then negative multiplied by negative this, so we're going to have minus cos theta squared over our common denominator, which is 1 minus cos theta, then 1 plus cos theta, okay. So here we know we can add the like terms. So we have negative cos theta and negative cos theta and positive cos theta. So these two will cancel. So because cos theta squared minus cos theta squared, it will give you 0. So these two will cancel. Hence, we're going to remain with 0. Okay. You can also see here we have negative 1 and negative 1. So we're going to have 1 minus 1 when correct like terms, which will give you 0. So also this and this will cancel. So I'm just going to remain with 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta, which will give us 4. 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta, it's 4, because we know 2 plus 2 it's 4. So that's Form 1 mathematics. Okay. So we're going to have 4, 2 plus 2 cos plus 2 cos theta. We're going to have 4 cos theta. Okay. Then we're done on top. Okay. On the top, which is the numerator. Let's now expand our denominator. So let's just multiply. So we have 1 multiplied by this. So these are in the brackets. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 1, it will give you 1. Okay, 1 multiplied by cos theta, it will give you positive cos theta. Okay, minus, okay, negative cos theta multiplied by 1 to give you negative cos theta. The negative cos theta multiplied by cos theta to give you negative cos theta squared. So negative cos theta squared, negative cos theta squared, because cos theta multiplied by cos theta it's a negative. Okay, so let's now proceed. So if you see here, this and this will cancel, isn't it? Cos theta minus cos theta, it's 0, so we're going to remain with 0, hence we remain with nothing, so nothing is there. Okay, so we have 4 cos theta as our numerator over 1 minus cos theta squared. Okay, so this looks familiar, this looks familiar. 1 minus cos theta squared, which is this one, looks familiar because we know that according to this equation, which is sin theta squared plus cos theta squared is equals to 1. So we know that when we make sin theta squared the subject formula, we're going to have sin theta squared is equals to 1 minus cos theta squared. Hence we remain with it like things like this. So where there's 1 minus cos theta squared, you should know that it's sin theta squared. So here it's sin theta squared. Okay, so let's proceed. So we are going to have 4 over this. We have said that it's sin theta squared according to this equation which we have proven. Okay, so we have sin theta squared, oh sorry, 4 it's cos theta, cos theta, sorry. Okay, so cos theta, let me just rewrite. So we have 4 cos theta over sin theta squared. Okay, so when you reach this side, you can also write this as 4 cos theta over sin theta multiplied by 1 over sin theta. Our aim is to make this the first equation as the same as 4 cosec, 4 cot cosec. Right, so here you know that cosec cos theta over sin theta, it's cot. So here we have 4 cot. So I showed this in the previous lesson. Okay, in case you missed it, you can revise through it. Multiplied by 1 over sin theta, it's cosec. 1 over sin theta, it's cosec. We even said during the first question. So here it's cosec. Hence we're going to have our equation like this. When you do here, you're going to have 4 cot 4 cot theta cosec theta, which is so here we have proven, which is equivalent to this question which we were given like this. So we have proven that this is the same as like this. Okay, so this is how you were supposed to do this question. So in case you need online assistance, you can contact me on this line, +260 9 70 11 11 36. We offer tuition in all the subjects. So this is the WhatsApp line you can use to reach me.